WELT. This is an intelligent belt which cares about your health and presents you with health data. It's a normal looking belt with unique functions. It counts how many calories you burnt while sitting down. It also counts steps taken and measures your waist size. The belt also monitors your overeating habits. You can automatically keep track and sync via Bluetooth to the belt application. The belt is also available for women and for casual wears. WALKCAR. The idea of this great car was born in Japan. This WALKCAR is battery powered and it's about the size of a laptop and can fit into a backpack. Walking around all day can make you so tired that it's difficult to perform tasks at your highest potential. The WALKCAR allows you to arrive at your destination energized and ready to take care of what is most important to you. It also boasts a battery that can last for early 7.4 hours when traveling at a speed of just over 6 miles per hour. Battery life increases on a lower speed, which means that you can use your WALKCAR a lot of the day with no worries about battery life, and it's completely affordable. The SIDEKICK robot. The Ankai Vector Robot SIDEKICK is your companion who can both hang out and help you out. This robot is powered by AI and advanced robotics. This companion can be engaged through sight, sound and touch. It is voice activated, so it can answer questions, take photos of you, show you weather and much more. These personal robots can also be connected with Alexa to control smart home devices such as speakers, lights and thermostats, and also set reminders. This robotic companion can navigate independently and self-charge on its own. It's compatible with both Android and Apple device. The MOTIV Smart Ring. The MOTIV Smart Ring is the first ring designed for 24/7 wear. It keeps track of fitness, step count, sleep pattern, heart rate, and protects your online identity. To see your fitness data in the app, you just have to twist the ring around your finger till it shines the LED light. Battery life is excellent and it also has different sizes. The plastic ones will be first sent to you to choose your size, after which the new one will be shipped to you. It lasts for as long as 2 days and syncing to the accompanying iOS or Android app is pretty simple. The interesting thing about MOTIV is it's completely waterproof and it will look stylish on your finger too. VOIXATCH. Do you want to stay connected with your smartphone? Like when you go for workout or doing a chore that you wouldn't want to do with your smartphone on you, but you still want to make and receive calls and text messages at the same time? Don't worry no more. VOIXATCH got you covered. With this device, you can make and receive text messages and calls instantly with the world's first smartwatch. This device lets you enjoy all the essential features of a smartphone in a cellular-enabled smartwatch that you can customize and adapt to your daily style, while also using it as a smartly built-in Bluetooth headset that easily keeps you ready to make and take calls and stay connected, whether you have your smartphone with you or not. Wherever you go, whatever you are doing, everything is set on your wrist, and you don't have to worry about charging this device. The device will be charging on its own while you are performing your daily activities. And also, this device comes with a customizable design that you can change to the colors that you wish, matching your outfit, and you are good to go. AQUATIC drone. This is an underwater drone mainly for filmmakers and fishermen. This waterproof drone can find, attract and record fish. With its 4K HD camera on board that can shoot 12 megapixels, you can also take pictures and record videos based on what the drone camera is picking up on, and you can export it to your computer or any device, iOS or Android. It operates at the depth of 30 meters or about 98 feet for up to 4 hours at a time. It is suitable for fresh, salt or chlorinated water. It is also compatible with an optional fish finder lens add-on that uses a sonar system to detect a fish and send back images to the user. It can also be used for ice fishing. PlayStation Virtual Reality. The PlayStation Virtual Reality, also known by the codename Project Morpheus during development, is a virtual reality headset developed by Sony Computer Entertainment. It was designed to be fully functional with the PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 home video consoles. The PlayStation Virtual Reality has 20 clicks up its sleeve, but it can make you feel you are somewhere else completely. It can fool your mind into experiencing vertigo or give an unrivaled gaming experience. PlayStation are one of the leaders in the gaming world, but PlayStation Virtual Reality must be experienced firsthand to truly understand its virtual reality capabilities. AEROFEX AERO-X, a real-life equivalent of the Star Wars speeder bike, and the result of more than 15 years of research and development. The AEROFEX AERO-X, they say, brings science to life. It is powered by a water-cooled 240 horsepower engine and 2 large rotors. The AERO-X can hover at an altitude of 12 feet and travel at the speed of up to 45 miles per hour. It can carry up to 310 pounds. That's like 2 people. The potential of this AERO-X is also completely boundless.